Welcome to Code Report. I'm your host, Connor Hoekstra. Two things off the top of the episode. One, I apologize again for the delayed Sunday episode. As I mentioned in the previous video, I am in the middle of moving down to the US, so my schedule is very hectic at the moment. So I will be trying to post videos when I can, but over the next 2 weeks, it's probably going to be a little bit irregular, but hopefully after that, we'll be back to the regular Sunday episodes with a couple episodes during the week. The second thing to note is that on Saturday, I did a live stream with Gaurav Sen on his channel. So thanks to Gaurav for setting that up. I had reached out to Gaurav a couple months ago, and he had suggested that we do a live stream together. So if you don't know, he has a channel on competitive programming as well, where he solves solutions similar to the way I do, but on a whiteboard usually. And he also talks about algorithms and other topics as well. So if you haven't checked out that video or the live stream, I'll leave a link in the description down below as it's posted on his channel, and you should go check out his channel as well and subscribe. So once again, thanks to Gaurav for setting that up, and hopefully we can do something like that in the future again. Taking a look at the contest that happened last week, we had 4 contests, starting off with from Codeforces round 499 on Thursday. Then on Saturday, we had 3 contests. In the morning, we had the Code Chef lunchtime. Then at noon, we had the round 4 from Top Coder in the TCO 18 tournament. And on Saturday evening, we finished with the weekly Leak Code Contest 95. And throughout the week, we also had the July Circuits contest from Hacker Earth. Taking a look at the top 10 leaderboards, here we have the 2 contests from Codeforces that happened last week, and the one that was yesterday in the morning. And on the top of the Div 1 from round 499, we had Kostrama, CKI 86201, then Bank in 3rd, Petra in 4th, Scott Wu in 5th, KMJP in 6th, and then Vuv and Fizzy David in 9th and 10th. In round 500, we had Umnik in 1st place, LHIC in 2nd, K-Sun 48 in 5th, Swisstock in 6th, and finishing off in 10th, we had Schick. And in the Div 1 for the Code Chef July lunchtime, we had Yui taking the 1st spot, in 2nd place TM William, and in 3rd place F Souza. Continuing, taking a look at the top 10 leaderboards for round 4 of the TCO 18 contest, here are our top 14 individuals who all qualified for the semifinal round. So the dates for those haven't been announced yet because we still have a wild card round happening at the tail end of August, which is going to add 2 more spots for whoever places in the top 2 spots of that wildcard contest, and then we'll have our final 16, 8 of which will be participating in one of the 2 semifinals, and then we'll have 8 people in our final round. So congratulations to all of the top 14 and the legendary individuals that qualified. We're in 1st Kankuro, in 2nd Petra, in 3rd Tourist, in 5th Umnik, and in 9th QWERTY 787788. Then at the top of our Leak Code leaderboard for Contest 95, we had Yui in 1st and Neil in 2nd. And taking a look at the updated overall top 10 leaderboard for the Codeforces site, still in 1st at number 1 is Tourist, jumping 2 spots to 2nd is 000, jumping 2 spots as well to 3rd is Silo Viali, Umnik dropped 1 to 4th, Petra jumped up 1 to 5th, and then Fate Ice dropped 4 spots to 6th place, and then MNBV Mars jumped up 1 to 7th, and then Anta, Fizzy David, and LHIC jumped into the top 10. So in this video, we're not going to be covering Problem C songs compression from Codeforces round 501 because I realized after recording this that it is still in the open hacking phase for about 9 or 10 more hours. So I'll be posting that as a separate video once that contest has fully finished. So look out for that in a few hours. Taking a look at the contests happening next week and the one that happened yesterday and this morning, we have 3 contests from Codeforces. Round 500 that happened yesterday, round 501 that happened this morning, and Educational 48 that is happening on Friday morning. On Thursday, we have from HackerRank the Hour Rank 29 contest happening at 11. Then on Friday we have the start of the Code Chef Long Challenge. On Saturday we have the August Easy contest from Hacker Earth, and of course we're finishing off the week with our weekly LeetCode contest number 96.
As always, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, hit that like button. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button. You can follow me on Twitter for reminders 30 minutes before contests start, and you can find all of the code shown in my videos on my GitHub page. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.